layer like that. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now look what I have here, guys. I have a skin firming facial mask, but I also had some anti-aging ingredient to this that's also going to help to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines and boost the collagen production in the skin. This facial mask is a mask that is gonna help your skin to look years younger. It's gonna just tighten that skin, and guess what, guys, your skin is gonna thank you later for this mask. So to use the mask, I just like to apply it all over my skin. I just apply the mask all over my skin in a thick layer like this, and it smells amazing. Oh, so I just apply the mask on my skin, guys, all over, and it's a very absorbent mask, therefore it's going to dry really quick on the skin. Now pack it in that laugh lines, anywhere that you're trying to reduce the wrinkles. You have forehead wrinkles, guys, apply it on the forehead wrinkles. And this is also good to tighten the jawline. You have those double chin, you're looking to tighten that double chin, just pack this mask on. And guess what, guys, once this is done, I let this mask sit on my skin for at least 30 minutes, and I actually like to go longer with it on my skin. When that is all over, I go in the bathroom, I rinse off and reveal beautiful looking skin. I am sure, guys, that this mask will benefit many of you out there, but you're not gonna know if it works unless you watch the video and try the recipe for yourself. This is what I use to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. This is what is helping me to age gracefully. At my age, my skin should start to look really saggy, and you know what I mean, but I've been using these amazing remedies that keep my skin just fresher every day. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share the recipe with you. I'm going to whip it up, and I'm also going to share some amazing tips and how to age in reverse, how to get your skin, things to use on your skin, and how to get the best result from using this mask. Not only that, how to get your skin to look amazing in 2022. So let's get in the kitchen. However, before we get in the kitchen, guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, beside the word subscribe, there's a little bell icon. If you click on that, you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. So now continue watching the video for the recipe. Our first ingredient is Fuller's Earth, and Fuller's Earth is clay. Just as you have the green clay, the brown clay, the Moroccan clay, the French clay, Fuller's Earth is a part of that family. Rich in minerals and vitamins, that is great for the skin topically. It is widely used in skincare products, and it is also used for lifting, tightening and firming the skin. Fuller's Earth also have to get rid of excess grease from the skin. It has antibacterial properties, making it great for even acne prone skin. So we're using a tablespoon of the Fuller's Earth, and like I said, it is very absorbent, so a tablespoon goes a long way. Now what I like to do, I like to add some anti-aging ingredient to the Fuller's Earth, and here I have some green tea, which is rich in antioxidants that will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Today I'm using a tea bag. However, you can choose to use matcha powder. You can even choose to use some chamomile in this. This is about a teaspoon of green tea, and we're pouring this in. You can even choose to use some black tea. So now here in our bowl, we have Fuller's Earth and we have green tea. Now I'm gonna mix the two dry ingredients together. Mix well. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add some skin brightening ingredient to this. And here I have some orange peel. This is dried orange peel. You can make your own by just put in your orange peel to dry. Once it is dried, you take it out and you blend it. All I'm using in this is about a half a teaspoon of the orange peel powder. Pour this in. So we have 3 dry ingredients: green tea, fullest earth, and orange peel. And now we're going to add some liquid. And my liquid of choice today is soy milk. However, use whatever milk you have. You can use the soy milk like I'm using. You can use almond milk. You can use regular milk, or you can even twist it around and you can choose to use juice like orange juice or grapefruit juice. So to begin, I'm going to use, let's start out with about 2 tablespoons of the soy milk, and we're gonna blend this in. As I said, this is very absorbent, so it's gonna really soak up the liquid very, very fast. And 2 tablespoons seems just right. So we are mixing, and we are mixing well. A skin tightening facial mask that's gonna help to transform your skin, lift, tighten, and firm the skin. So once this is done, what I like to do with this, I like to set it aside. Therefore, you can choose to make this a couple hours before you're ready to use it. And I like to let the ingredients just absorb into this fullest earth. So set it aside for about an hour or 2. And once that is done, when you come back, as you can see how fast this fullest earth is just soaking up the liquid. So when you set it aside, when you get back to it, it's going to be even thicker. So if it's a little watery when you just finish making it, not to worry, it is good to go. So I'm going to set this aside, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to apply it on your skin. And there you have it. This is what I'm using on my skin to help to transform my skin, to help to lift, tighten, and firm the skin. Store it in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. So to use the mask, I just like to apply it all over my skin. I just apply the mask all over my skin in a thick layer like this. And guess what, guys? Once this is done, I let this mask sit on my skin for at least 30 minutes. And I actually like to go longer with it on my skin. When that is all over, I go in the bathroom, I rinse off, and reveal beautiful looking skin. I